Detox water is a popular beverage known for its potential health benefits, including aiding weight loss. Here's a refreshing cucumber detox water recipe that you can try. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, 1 lemon, 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves. 4 cups of water, ice cubes, optional. Wash the cucumber thoroughly and slice it into thin rounds. Cut the lemon into thin slices as well. Take a pitcher or a large glass jar and add the cucumber and lemon slices to it. Tear the mint leaves slightly to release their flavor and add them to the jar. If desired, add a few ice cubes to make the detox water colder. Stir the mixture gently with a spoon to combine the ingredients. Cover the jar and refrigerate it for at least 1 to 2 hours or overnight for stronger flavor. Once chilled, your cucumber detox water is ready to be enjoyed. You can strain the water before serving if you prefer, or simply use a spoon to fish out the cucumber, lemon, and mint while drinking.